Namaste, my name is Sakshi and I am a sound therapist and a Nada yoga teacher. I have created a mini Vedic sound bath for anxiety. The best of us fall under its ropes, and I feel like, especially during this time, there's also a lot of external which aggravates the internal anxiety. It's a good time to understand that which is also a part of us. So, do enjoy this mini Vedic sound bath that I've created, bringing in sounds which will help relax and calm the anxiety that you might be feeling. Wherever you're at today, you could be standing, sitting, or lying down. I recommend sitting or lying down for receiving sound. If you're sitting or lying down, you can place your device next to you so that you can receive sound and follow my simple instructions to prepare you for this Vedic sound bath for anxiety. If you're sitting, find length from the top of your head or your crown to the base of your spine or your hips so that the prana and the breath, the life force can flow freely, smoothly, and prepare your body to receive sound. If you're lying down, try to roll your shoulders onto the surface that you're on. Make sure there is some gap between your neck and your chest. Your hands are by your side. Your palms could be facing up or down. Wherever you're at today, bring your attention to your breath. Notice how you start inhaling through your nose. A deep, long inhale going through your nose, traveling down all the way into your belly. And feel that inhale filling up your belly. And as you exhale, feel how your belly is emptying out, and your breath, your prana is coming out through your nose. Another inhale going through your nose, dropping into your belly as your belly lifts and your navel is trying to touch the ceiling. And as you exhale, feel how your navel drops, trying to touch the spine, and you make that exhale all the way out through the nose. Taking deep, intentional, purposeful, long breaths as you inhale through your nose. Feel that breath dropping into your belly lifting and rising. And as you exhale, let the belly drop and exhale out all the breath through your nose. Stay connected with your breath. Ask your breath to lengthen your breath. Taking a long, deep inhale that enters through your nose all the way into your belly. Your navel rising, your belly button trying to touch the ceiling as you fill it with inhale, that prana, life force. And as you exhale, your belly drops, your navel trying to touch your spine as you exhale all the prana out through your nose. Staying with your breath, bring your attention to your third eye. And before we begin to receive sound, set an intention. Tell yourself, hey you, yes you, I'm about to receive some wonderful sound which will help me calm down and get rid of any anxiety that I have. Repeat with me. Keeping your attention on your breath and your focus on your third eye, repeat with me. I am about to receive some wonderful sound. I am about to receive some wonderful sound that will help me calm down, and get rid of any anxiety that I have. I am about to receive some wonderful sound that will help me calm down and get rid of any anxiety that I have. Keeping your eyes closed, let your breath be your anchor and let the sound set you free.